guys, welcome to exploring. This is season 1. This is season 1, episode 1. So you won't really do exploring much, but we're pretty sure we're gonna do it. All right. Today hi Nitro. Today we are exploring this abandoned place.
It's abandoned forest.
Abandoned little forest, she said. Anyways. Look at this. Why is my cat such in a rush? Why is he in such a rush? Why did he run? What's wrong? Why is there a chair in here? And string? What the? Nitro. You coming in? Ouch. There's... Look, guys. String? Somebody must have been in here. Guys, I'm in skates, so I don't want to trip. We could use these as a defensive weapon. Look, guys. Hello, fellow explorer.
Oh.
He touched my leg. He might have rabies. So, guys. Guys, any questions why she's wearing a mask?
I want to spring on this.
Guys, look at this cat I found. Chippy chippy chappa chappa ruby ruby rubba.
The cat. Well.
Wait, look.
Cat.
Chippy chippy chappa chappa ruby. Alright, guys. This is probably gonna be a funny exploring, or it might be creepy because we might find a lot of stuff on the way. Ugh.
I just got wet.
Alrighties. Anyways, come on.
Let's get out.
Let's get out of here. It's really creepy. Alright. A barrier? Barriers are so strong they can't break. What if I poke it with a stick? I cut most of it open. Wanna help?
It's not working. It got a
Here,
little
what if
hole.
Alright, come on. Squeeze through the hole. I'm holding it open. There.
Animal.
Alright, guys.
I don't have control of all barriers, so.
You have control of all barriers?
Yeah.
Ah, I
Sissy.
almost tripped, guys.
The thing.
Nitro, come on. This is our explorer cat, guys. I'm thirsty.
Big, like octopus I left it. Drink the Dr. Pepper that I left on the.
Anyways, guys, we can't go past this bent because it has a barrier. But then, so
I
we
don't
can't
think we
just
can
hit.
break this barrier. We broke the last one.
And there's kids over there playing.
Yeah.